Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make underwear. This is I'm making for ladies, and soon I'm going to post a video on how to make underwear for gents as well. So कपड़े को 4 fold में रखना है. You have to keep your fabric in 4 fold, and then I'm showing you this measurement for 36 hips. So guys, if you just divide 36 with 4, then you will get 9 inch. So you have to take 9 inch for the 36 hips. तो 9 इंच से मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा लूँगी. I will add more half inch extra. तो हो गया 9.5 इंच. और लंबाई में भी 9.5 इंच ही लेना है आपको. You have to take 9.5 inch in length as well. Now I am taking here 1.5 inch for the elastic band. And again here you measure 9 inch. यहाँ पे आप 9 इंच पर मार्क कर दो, and then take 3.5 inch and join the line. And here you mark 1.5 inch again. फिर घुमाव देते हुए इन दोनों पॉइंट को ज्वाइन कर दो. Cut extra 1 inch from the front part. Now take some extra fabric guys, and just attach it with the middle part, and just watch how I'm doing it. And so this is it guys. Keep watching this video and you'll definitely understand this very easy step.